Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are all of you? I'm your teacher, Miss Tanzila, and now we are in English class. And the topic for today lecture is match the capital letter with their small letter. We have already done a lecture before, but we are doing it again in order to clear your concepts more clearly. So today we are going again to match the capital letter with their small letter. You have already learned the capital letter as well as the small letter. So it is easy for you people to match the capital letter with the small letter. So let's come with me to start our today lecture. First of all, we are going to revise the letter both in uppercase as well as in lowercase. Then after that, we will start our actual lecture. What is this? A. A. This is capital letter A, and this one is small letter A. A. A is for apple. A is for ambulance. A is for ant. And after A, our next letter is B. So watch it carefully. This is the big B and this one is the small b. You have already learned in the previous lecture the writing formation of letters both in uppercase as well as in lowercase. So today I'm just revising it, okay? Watch it carefully and recognize it. A, B. What is this? B. Lowercase b, uppercase b. Sorry, this one is uppercase b and this one is lowercase b. B is for ball. B, ball. B, balloon. B, bus. Okay. Also learn the word they start from these alphabets. After B, our next letter is C. This one is the uppercase C and this one is the lowercase c. C. C, k. C, k, kate. C, k, car. C, k, cake. Okay. This is the letter C. This one is the big C and this one is the small c. Understood? Now after C, our next letter is D. Our next letter is D. Okay? This one is the uppercase D and this one is the lowercase d. D, 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 dog. D, D, deer. Okay, D, D, daddy. Understood? Now, after D, our next letter is E. After D, the next letter is E. This one is the big E and this one is the small e. I'm repeating again, you have learned the writing and reading, also the writing and reading of alphabets, both in uppercase and lowercase. I'm just revising it. Then after this, we will match the uppercase letter with the lowercase letter. E, elephant, and E is for egg. Understood? After E, our next letter is F. After E, our next letter is F. The first one is big F and the second one is small f. Understood? After E, the next letter is F. F, fish. F, Flower. Look there. Look here. This is a flower. Frog. F flower. F fish. F fox. Now, after A, B, C, D, E, F, next letter is G. Okay, G. This one is the big G and this one is the small G. Okay, G is for grapes, gorilla. Okay, after G, our next letter is H. This one is the uppercase H and this one is the lowercase, and H hat, H hand, okay, and H heart. After H, our next letter is I. This one is the uppercase I and this one is the lowercase I. I, uh, igloo, I is for ice cream and I is for iron. Okay, now the next letter is J. J, this one is the big J and this one is the small J. J, jug, J, juice, J, jet. Understood? J, jacket. After J, our next letter is K. This one is the big K, uppercase K, and this one is the lowercase K. Kite, K, kite, and keyboard, cattle, and also K is for king. Understood? Now, after K, the next letter is L. The next letter is L. This one is the big L and this one is the small L. Lamp, leaf. This is the leaf, okay? Understood? And line. After L, our next letter is M. This one is the big M and this one is the lowercase m. And the sound of mama, monkey, mango, mask. After M, our next letter is N. Our next letter is N. This one is the big N and this one is the small n. Understood? And night and neck and necklace and nail. Now from A to N we will do in today's lecture, and from O to Z we will complete that letters in upcoming lecture. Okay, dear little learners, so let's come with me to start our actual lecture of today's actual lecture, which is based on match the capital letter with a small letter. Okay, so there are some letters in the sequence and they are in uppercase, and on another sides there are also some letters but they are in the lowercase and they are not in the sequence. What you will do, you will find the letter of same alphabet capital letter to same alphabet capital letter with their small letter. You will match it. Now, what is this? This is A. So, where is the lowercase a? This one is the lowercase a. No, this one is the lowercase. Yes, this one is the lowercase. Like this, you will match it. After A, our next letter is B, but this is the big B. So, you have to find the small b. Start from the start. This one is the small b. Match it, okay? C. This is the letter C. Now search for the small c. This one, no. This one, no. This one, yes. So match it like this. Now D. This is the capital letter D, and find the small letter d. The first one has already done, the second one has done, so no need to search for it. So we'll come to the next one. This one is the letter D. This one is the big D, and this one is the small d, matched like this. Now this is the letter E. Where is the small e? There is the small e. Understood? How you will match? You will check the left side, and then you will go to the right side and you will match the same letter. Understood? Now after E, our next letter is F, G, H, I, and J. Okay? This is the letter F. Where is the letter F? Search for the letter F. Here is the letter F. Understood? This is the letter F, capital letter F, and this is the small one. So you have to match it. Now after F, our next letter is G. Our next letter is G. Where is the letter G? Start from the start. This one, no. This one has already done. This one is the letter G. Match the capital letter G with their small g. Now after G, our next letter is H. Next letter is H. So where is the letter H? Where is the letter H? Here is the letter H. Okay. After H, our next letter is I. Search for the I. These three has already done, so no need to search for it. The remaining is this two, J, and this one is I. Okay. The last one of this slide is J, and here is just one left, and it is the lowercase j. So match it with the J. Understood how you will match the capital letter with their small one? Now, after J, our next letter is K. Our next letter is K. So search for the K. Where is the letter K? K, L, M, N. They are in sequence, but on the right sides, the letter are not in sequence. You have to search and you have to match the letter. So the first one, here is the first one, letter K. So search for the letter K. This one is the letter K. N. This is the letter N. This is not K. This one, no. This one is also not the letter K. This is M. This one, no. This is the letter L. So this one, yes, this is the letter K. Look here, it just look the same, but their writing position is different. Now, after K, our next letter is L. Where is the letter L? Where is the letter L? This one is N, this one is M, and here is L. So match the L with their small letter L. Now, M, let's search for the letter M. Where is the letter M? This one? No, this is N. This one? Yes, this one is the letter M. So search it. Understood? Match it. So search and match it with the same letter. Now we have just one left on the left side and one left on the right side. And both these are the letter N. But this one is the capital letter and this one is the small letter. So match N with the letter N. Understood? How you will match the capital letter with their small letters? It's too easy if you learn the letters, uppercase letters and lowercase letters, then there will be no problem to match the capital letter with their small letters. And you have learned the letters many times. You can do it. You have learned the reading of letters many times. You have learned the writing of letters, and you can also learn the recognitions of a letter. Okay, you can recognize it because this is the end of your year, and all this year you have learned the letters, the lowercase letters, the uppercase letters. Now let's come to talk about the homework. What you will do in home, you will copy this slide same as it is. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and on another side as it is, you will write on your copies. Okay, then what you will do, you will search for the A. Where is the A? Like this, here is the A, then you will match it with A. Then you will search for B and you will match the B, then C, and then D. When you have finished, write it neatly, then you will check it from your teacher. So bye for now, see you soon inshallah in the next lecture.